If you're watching this video, you're on your way to selling your home and you're ready to take the next step in visual marketing. Here are a few things to have ready for your visually sold photo shoot or 3D scan. First, make sure all cars are out of your driveway and the garage doors are closed. This will make the front exterior of your home more inviting to online buyers. Next, make sure to put away all clutter on the floor in all rooms and in bathrooms. Be sure to clear your counters of all objects such as soap dispensers, bottles, papers, and personal items. Remember, visually sold photographers are not permitted to stage or move your personal items during your photo shoot. Next, turn on all lights, including lamps, and open blinds so they are parallel to the floor. This will make your home look bright and inviting. Your photographer will start on the main level of the house, so we ask that you please have any other occupants and children on another level or in another room of the house if possible. Remember, if you can see the camera can probably see you too. So during scans and photos, all home occupants should remain out of sight of the scan and photo cameras. For our photographer's safety, we ask that you please keep pets secured before your photographer arrives for the shoot. Visually sold photographers are highly trained to find the best angles of your home in a timely manner, and we want to make this as stress-free as possible for you. Any special features you would like us to photograph should be pointed out in the appointment notes or at the beginning of your appointment. We want to make this a pleasant experience for you, so we invite you to kick back and relax during your photo shoot, and your photographer will let you know when they have completed everything. That's everything. Having these few things prepared will allow us to take beautiful photos and scans of your home for online buyers to view. From all of us here at Visually Sold, have a wonderful day. We look forward to meeting you soon.